Hey guys, thanks very much for joining me. I'm going to try and remove the pins from the Wade and Butcher special. I've got, as I said before, I've got very few tools, so I'm going to show you what I've got and I'm going to try with these. If it doesn't work, well, I'll have to have a rethink. But the first thing I noticed is that with the blade in, the razor rocks, so in order to hold it steady I want to sit it with the blade out, and that'll allow me to hold the blade there and hopefully remove that pin. Now I've got a very small Dremel type machine, rotary tool, and what I've got is I haven't got a drill press or anything like that, and indeed I don't have a drill bit small enough to drill through that, so maybe that is something I have to buy. I do have this kind of tool which you maybe can't see, but it is for grinding, so I think I might try that. I've also got a little bit of a cutting disc, and maybe I can use the edge like that just to, just to get the, well, I'm going to try it. The other thing I've got is a little sanding disc. I don't know whether that is strong enough to take away the brass of that pin. So I'm going to try that one first, because I think that will be least damaging to the scales. I have read, and I've had a discussion with my friend Dean, who tells me that the old celluloid scales produce a gas that can discolour the blade. So I'm not too bothered if I lose these scales, but on the other hand, it kind of would be nice to keep them, I mean, even if they give a gas off, I suppose I could lacquer them or something like that. Right, let's get my tool in there and ready to go. I'm actually going to start on the back, so to speak, although it makes little difference, but we'll try there. Right, bit of noise, here we go. Well, I think something is happening. That really looks to have flattened out a little bit. Whoever put these pins in, they really sort of whacked it with a hammer. Of course, that is one thing that I will have to buy, is a hammer with a rounded peen end. I've got one, but it's a great big lump hammer. I really need a small one. You can see there is a bit of damage. Perhaps you can see a little bit of damage on the scales there, but that will sand out. I'm going to just keep going with this and see how we go. I think I've got it. I think I've got it. That looks a little bit smaller. Obviously you can see there's a little bit more damage there. But I think the next thing to try is to try and hammer that through with something. So there we are, that's just another 5-minute video. What I'm going to do now is try and remove the pin on this side, and then when I've done that I'll come back and try and knock them through in another video. As I say, I'm just going to keep these 5 or 6 minutes if I can. When it comes to making scales, they might increase in length. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.